तो बच्चों, आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ मैथ ओलंपियाड का एक मॉडल पेपर है जो स्टैंडर्ड 3 स्टूडेंट के लिए है। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट। देयर आर टोटल डैश बलून्स विथ 7 बलून्स इन ईच ग्रुप। आंसर हो जाएगा देयर आर 7 बलून्स इन ईच ग्रुप एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप इज 5. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बलून्स इज 7 into 5 35. सो आंसर इज A. Find the missing number in the given series 212, 182, 152, 122, 92. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा A. इसका जो पैटर्न है 212 माइनस 30 दैट इज 182, 182 माइनस 30 दैट इज 152, 152 माइनस 30 दैट इज 122, 122 माइनस 30 दैट इज 92 and 92 minus 30 equal to 62. So the missing number is 62. In the given figure, there are possible combinations of one boy and one girl. So the answer हो जाएगा आंसर B. Possible number of combination is 12. That is Rahul Jasmine, Rahul Litu, Rahul Nidhi, Rahul Manu, Suraj Jasmine, Suraj Nidhi, Suraj Ritu, Suraj Manu, Sachin Jasmine, Sachin Nidhi, Sachin Manu and Sachin Ritu. Therefore, there are 12 possible combinations. Question number 4. In how many ways can Gaurav reach his house? He can reach his house. Answer is B. 9 ways. Possible ways are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, J, I, G, H, A, B, C, D, G, H, A, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, C, D, G, H, A, C, D, J, I, G, H, A, K, C, D, G, H, A, K, C, D, G, J, I, G, H, A, K, C, D, E, F, G, H. So there are maximum 9 possible ways Gaurav can reach home. 4 friends A, B, C and D are going to watch a movie. They are all sitting in one line besides each other. A is sitting first, B is not sitting on second, C is sitting next to A and D is sitting at last. On which position is B sitting? Answer is option C, third position. Sitting arrangement is A, C, B, D. From this arrangement, it is clear that B is third from the left side of the line. If the code of mouse is NPVTF, then what will be the code of pencil? Answer is option C. Here the pattern is writing the next alphabet in the series. For example, next alphabet to M is N, next alphabet to O is P, next alphabet to U is V, next alphabet to S is T, next alphabet to E is F. Therefore, following the same pattern, the code for pencil is Q, F, O, D, G, D, J, M. The answer is option C. Find the odd one out from the following. Scissors, knife, key, paper. Answer is option D. Scissors, knife and key are all made of iron, so the odd one out is paper. If hammer is called scissor, scissor is called screw, screw is called helmet and helmet is called hammer, then Ankit should wear a dash while driving a scooter. Answer is option B. While driving a scooter, a person wears a helmet. Since helmet is called hammer, here so the answer is hammer. In a row, 19 students are standing for morning prayer. If Amit is standing at 9th position from the left end, what is his position from the right end? The answer is option C. The figure below represents students standing in a row for morning prayer. From the above figure, it is clear that Amit is standing at 9th position from the left end, so he is standing at 11th position from the right end of the row. We have the following number of series 2, 13, 24, 35. If the given number series were to continue further, then what will be the next number in the series? Answer is option B. The pattern followed in series is 2 plus 11 is 13, 13 plus 11 24, 24 plus 11 35, 35 plus 11 46. Therefore, next number in the series would be 46. This mathematical reasoning. It is also carry 1 mark. 1 mark is Sudhir and Karan are at Domino's. Sudhir is very hungry and wants to eat 5 by 8 of a pizza. How many parts should he eat? The answer is option B. There are total 8 parts of pizza. To eat 5 by 8 of pizza, he must eat 5 parts. Which of the following shows correct number of Mr. Gupta's car number? Mr. Gupta's car number 4356. 400 option are 400, 4056, 4365, 3556, 4356. Gupta's card number is 4356. Which of the following statement is correct? ऑब्जेक्ट डी इज हेवियर देन ऑब्जेक्ट सी। द आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी। डायरेक्ट आंसर कह देती हूँ। ऑब्जेक्ट ए इज हेवियर देन ऑब्जेक्ट बी। ऑब्जेक्ट ए इज हेवियर देन ऑब्जेक्ट बी इज एन इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। ऑब्जेक्ट ए इज इक्वल टू ऑब्जेक्ट बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेट। व्हाट विल बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ 250 ग्राम ऑफ स्ट्रॉबेरीज? Cost of 1000 gram or 1 kg of strawberries is rupees 120. Cost of 250 gram is 120 by 120 is equal to 1 by 4 into 120, that is rupees 30. Therefore, the cost of 250 gram of strawberries is rupees 30. आप 1000 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 250 ग्राम का पूछ रहा है। इस तरह से पैसों को भी आप 4 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा। ये इजीएस्ट वे है। 4 students, namely Sonu, Rabi, Riya and Meera, have drawn 4 different shapes. They shaded their different parts. Which of the 4 students shaded their shapes as equivalent to each other? आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी। सोनू shaded 4 parts out of 8, that is 1 by 2. Riya shaded 2 parts out of 4, that is 1 by 2. Rabi shaded 3 parts out of 4, that is 3 by 4. Meera shaded 6 parts out of 8, that is 3 by 4. Sonu, Riya and Rabi, Meera is the correct answer. The greatest 4-digit even number that can be formed using digits 4, 1, 2 and 9 without repeating the digit is? Answer option D. To write the biggest number, start from the largest number, then write the second largest and so on. But we need to write the even number. So we will write 2 at the ones place. 9412 is the greatest 4-digit even number that can be found using 4, 1, 2 and 9 without repeating the digits. Which place value will determine the larger number among the given two numbers? 8125, 8252. Answer is option C. Hundreds will determine the larger number among the two given numbers. So 1 less than 2, which means 8125 is less than 8252. Look at the images given below and answer the following question. What is the weight of the carton? In the given question, weight of 1 chocolate is 50 gram. Weight of 1 pack of chocolates are weight of 3 chocolates, so 3 into 50, 150 gram. Weight of 1 box of chocolates is equal to weight of 4 packs. 4 into 150, that is 600 gram. Weight of 1 carton of chocolates is weight of 5 boxes. 5 into 600, that is 3000 gram. And 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. 3000 gram equal to 3 kg. Hence option C is correct. Rahul wants to buy a gift for his father for Father's Day. He wants to give him a razor which costs rupees 1600. He saves rupees 64 every week. Find out for how many weeks will have to save the money to buy the razor. Money saved by Rahul in 1 week is rupees 64. Cost of razor is 1600. Total number of weeks is equal to 1600 by 64, that is 25 weeks. Answer is option B. Roy distributed rupees 13,500 equally among his 5 friends. What is the amount that each of his friend will get? Answer is option A. Amount of money with Roy is rupees 13,500. Number of friends among whom money has to be distributed equally, that is 5. Amount of money each friend gets 13,500 by 5, that is 2,700. Jerry had rupees 150, but he bought a notebook which cost him rupees 35. How much money was left with him? He had rupees 150, cost of notebook rupees 35, money left 150 minus 35, that is 115. The given pictograph shows number of teachers who went on a school trip in the following months. Study the pictograph and answer the question. Each smiley represents 4 teachers. In which month, only 4 teachers went on the trip. Answer is option B. One smiley represents 4 teachers. Hence, in March, only 4 teachers went on the trip. Sima got some money for shopping. On asking, she said 3 statements about the money. First statement, it is a 4-digit number but not the greatest. Second statement, it is a successor of the greatest 3-digit number. Third statement, it is having all same digits. If only one statement is wrong, then what could be the answer? The answer is option D. From statement 2, it is clear that the number is 1000, but this number, statement 1, is also correct and statement 3 is wrong. So answer is 1000. Anand bought 3 items shown in the figure. What is the total cost of all 3 items? Cost of burger is rupees 50, cost of chocolate is rupees 60, cost of cold drink is rupees 45. So the total cost of the 3 items is rupees 50 plus 60 plus 45, that is rupees 155. If one packet of pencil cost rupees 50, then what would be the cost of 5 packets? The answer is option C. Cost of one packet is rupees 50, cost of 5 packets are 50 into 5, 250 rupees. Raja decides to start cycling. He records his distance covered each day in a graph. The given graph shows the distance covered by Raja in a week. Study the graph and answer the question that follows. How much more did he cycle on Friday than on Thursday? The answer is option B. On Friday, he cycled for 35 km. On Thursday, he cycled for 30 km. He cycled 35 minus 35 km more on Friday. Arshdeep has 4 number cards with him. That can be the biggest number he can make with the help of these cards. Choose the number name from the given options. With the help of the digit 5, 8, 6 and 9, the biggest number that can be formed is 9865, which can be written as 9865. Monica goes to shopping mall and she has rupees 300 with her. Which of the following combination of items can she buy so that no money left with her? Answer is option B. Total money Monica had rupees 300. Cost of toy car is rupees 250. Cost of book is rupees 50. So total money for the combination of a toy car and a book 250 plus 50 rupees 300. Therefore the combination of a toy car and a book is correct answer. Mr. Burma bought some burgers for a party time. The total cost of the burgers he bought is rupees 800. How many burgers did he buy if each burger cost rupees 80? The answer is option D. Cost of one burger is rupees 80. Total cost of burgers are rupees 800. Therefore, number of burgers Mr. Burma bought 800 by 80, that is 10 burgers. The following pictograph shows types of ice creams served to students at a school party. Study the question and answer the question that follows. How many more chocolates were served than vanilla and strawberry together? Answer is option A. One ice cream of table represents 5 students. Number of chocolate ice cream served 6 into 5 30. Number of vanilla ice cream served 3 into 5 15. Number of strawberry ice cream form served rupees 2 into 5 10. Total number of vanilla ice cream and strawberry ice creams are 10 plus 15 25. Required difference is 30 minus 25 equal to 5. अचीवर्स सेक्शन यहाँ पे हर क्वेश्चन का वेटेज 3 मार्क्स रहता है. ए पिज्जा इज कॉट एज गिवन इन द पिक्चर. द कॉस्ट ऑफ द होल पिज्जा इज रुपीज 80. आयुष ईट्स 3 slices and Yami eats 2 slices. If Amit eats the rest of slices, how much should he pay for his portion? Answer is option C. As there are 8 slices and the price of 8 slices is rupees 80, cost of each slice is 80 by 8, that is rupees 10. Ayush eats 3 slices and pays rupees 30. Yami eats 2 slices and it pays rupees 20. Rest 8 minus 5. 3 parts of pizza are left. So 3 slices will cost him rupees 30. Match the following, that is 300 plus 30 plus 5, that is 335. 500 plus 50 plus 5, that is 555. The correct answer is option D. Option A 300 plus 30 plus 5 335 match with 4 335. 500 plus 50 plus 5 555 match with 1. 3000 plus 490 that is match with 2. 3800 plus 70 3870 that is match with 3. The pictograph shows the number of pens 4 children have. Study the graph and answer the following question. How many pens does all the children have? Since each pen represents 4, number of pens Raghav has 3 into 4 12, number of pens Sanjay has 5 into 4 20, number of pens Riya has 4 into 4 16, number of pens Anu has 2 into 4 8, total number of pens all children have 12 plus 20 plus 16 plus 8 equal to 56. Ruby started walking from point A at 1 pm. After 2 hours and 15 minutes, she reached point B. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, she reached point C. At 5:30 pm, she reached point D. How long did she take to travel from point C to point D? Answer is 45 minutes. Starting time of Ruby is 1 pm. Time taken by her to travel from point A to point B, that is 2 hours and 15 minutes. Time at which she reached point B is 3:15 pm. Time taken by her to travel from point B to point C, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Time at which she reached point C is 4:45 pm. Time at which she reached at point D, 5:30 pm. Therefore, time taken by her to travel from point C to point D, 4:45 pm minus 5:30 pm, that is 45 minutes. What will be the cost of 26 buckets of roses if the cost of 1 bucket of roses is 47? Cost of 1 bucket of roses rupees 47. Number of buckets or roses is equal to 26. Cost of 26 buckets is 26 into 47, that is 1222. So thank you for watching. The video is over.